Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Helpline. Today I'm going to be showing you how to log into vCloud account using your computer. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to log into your vCloud account, then first start off by opening up a web browser. Go to the URL box at the top and type in veritycloud.com and press enter on your keyboard. You'll find yourself in the official site of vCloud or VerityCloud. And now you can simply click on the login button at the top right hand in order to end up in the login area. Type in your username in the first text box that is associated with your account and head over to the password field and type in your password. You can double check the password by clicking on this little eye icon, and once your information is correct, click the login button. Soon after you log in, you'll be able to get access to your VerityCloud account right away without delay. Verity is a quality control tool that compares point clouds of your as-built against your design model and help you verify that work went according to the plan. That is how you can easily log into vCloud account right from your computer. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.